How to turn off dreams on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to turn off dreams on Snapchat, go ahead and launch your Snapchat application, log in, tap on the avatar icon in the top left corner, then have to tap on the gear icon to access settings. From this page, scroll down to find and tap on memories, which you will find between generative AI settings and lenses. Look for dreams on this page and then tap on dreams and disable it. That's it. You'll be able to turn off dreams on Snapchat. But if you do not see dreams, it might not be available in your region yet. Snapchat dreams may not be available in your country, so you need to wait for it to appear. And you might also need to update Snapchat. So go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Search for Snapchat application. If you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. And Snapchat may release features to users gradually. So what you can do is you can go ahead and update Snapchat frequently, also clear the cache and log out and log back in. So Snapchat Dreams uses AI to create fantasy style selfies of you, like dream scenes or avatars using your camera roll. You'll find it under memories when it's available. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.